1940 Ford coupe. Old vintage air unit on this thing. I can't say old, new vintage air unit on this. Just did the air conditioning on this one. Nobody knew how to do the AC on this. They didn't know how to charge it or how much it should take. These are a custom job. There's no book to tell you exactly how much. This particular one has a custom condenser in here that's not in your normal configuration. Instead of air conditioning refrigerant tubes sitting horizontally, they're sitting vertical, going up. That's not the way they're supposed to work. That's a little goes against the principle of having your super cooled liquid at the bottom of the condenser. Instead, it's fighting its normal path of refrigerant flow. So there's some inefficiencies here. The condenser is undersized, so it could be pretty and fit underneath this grill. The line sizes are a little on the small side, and on air conditioning you should never have hard 90s like this going in and out. They should be nice and rounded, but they like the looks of these, or that's all they can do. Oh yeah.